Changes to the exterior are minor enough that you'll hardly notice them unless the new model is parked right next to the old one. All Golfs and GTIs get LED daytime running lights, with full LED headlamps available as an upgrade, replacing the previous bixenons. The front and rear bumpers have been restyled now with even straighter lines, and new LED tail lamps dress up the derrières of all Golf models from the lowly Golf S to the mighty Golf R. New wheel designs and paint choices also arrive for 2018. New interior trim and materials dress up the 2018 Golf's cabin a bit, and most versions enjoy more standard equipment. The S, for example, gets a 6.5-inch touchscreen infotainment system to replace last year's 5.0-incher, as well as rain-sensing wipers. Golf SE models upgrade to a new 8.0-inch touchscreen display, and the available forward collision warning and automated emergency braking systems now add pedestrian recognition. Top dog Golf SL models add adaptive cruise control and an auto-dimming mirror. No changes were made to the 170 HP turbocharged 1.8-liter inline-4 serving all non-GTI Golf models or to their transmissions. Yes, the manual still offers only 5 forward speeds, while the automatic has 6. It's a different story for one of our favorite cars, the GTI. The turbo 2.0-liter 4-cylinder in the base GTI S gets a 10 HP boost for a total of 220 horsepower at 4,700 RPM, with torque unchanged at 258 lb-ft at 1,500 RPM. This brings it in line with the 2018 GTI SE and Autobahn models. The GTI Sport trim level has been dropped. Opt for a GTI S model with the 6-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, and you'll get engine auto stop/start functionality, too. If you spring for the GTI SE, you'll now get the beefier brakes from the Golf R, an electronically actuated torque-sensing limited slip differential, and full LED lighting. The infotainment screen grows to 8.0 inches, and seating surfaces are the traditional Clark plaid cloth, with leatherette optional. The GTI Autobahn comes standard with adaptive dampers plus the aforementioned 8.0-inch touchscreen in the dash, which includes navigation.